Morning, my name is Lim Munjin, and our project title is StudyMate, a Flutter-based mobile application for student academic management. This project was developed by me, Lim Munjin, and my group member, Ian Seng and Chong Zhenze. StudyMate is a design mainly for university and college students who need a more organized ways to manage their academic responsibility. During a semester, students normally need to handle several subject assignments, deadlines, classes, and personal study section at the same time. However, this information is often separate across calendar, notes, messaging application, and reminder applications. Students may need to switch between several platforms. It makes more difficult to obtain a complete view of their academic process. This can lead to missed deadlines, timetable conflicts, poor study planning, and increased academic stress. To address this problem, we developed StudyMate as a centralized mobile application that combines the main academic management function into one platform. The main objective is to help students organize their academic information, monitor upcoming activity, and plan their study times for effectively. After successful authentication, the user is directed to the dashboard. StudyMate includes user authentication, subject management, assignment tracking, student schedule planning, profile management, and a dashboard that summarizes important academic information. User can create a manage subject, record assignments and their completion status, and organize study schedules. The application also validates schedule times to reduce overlapping or invalid study section. Another important requirement is calculated data persistence. Users' accounts and academic information should remain stored even after the application is closed and reopened. The interface is also designed to be clear and user-friendly so that students can access the many functions easily. StudyMate developed using the Flutter framework and Dart programming language. Flutter allows the teams to build a responsibly mobile interface using a single code base and material design component. The application follows a module architecture. Data structures are placed in model class, database and business operation are handled by service classes, and the service and the scripts are responsible for displaying information and handling user interaction. This separate makes the source code easier to understand, test, maintain, and extend. Navigation between the dashboard, subject, schedule, assignment, and profile module is provided through the bottom navigation bar. For state management, the application uses Flutter's built-in stateful widgets and set state approach. When information is added or updated, the corresponding screen reloads the latest data and refresh the user interface. StudyMate uses SQLite as its local data. This allows the application to operate offline and retain user information, authentication section, subjects, assignment, and schedule direct on a device. Overall, StudyMate provides students with a centralized practice and accessibility solution for improving academic organization and study planning.
All right, good morning, everyone. We'll be presenting this app demonstration of an app project that we have made. This is an app project made by Chong Zhenze, which is my name, and Bian Seng and Lin Bujin. So, for the homepage, you will be greeted by the good morning, welcome back to StudyMate, with StudyMate assistant showing reminder of what is due today, suggestions of what you should do for this app, like create a study schedule for database lab report, etc., etc. Now, moving on, you have the upcoming schedule. All the schedules that you have made will be shown here, followed by a study summary with pending assignments, completed assignments, pending schedules, completed schedules. All these assignments and schedules you have made, whether or not it is pending or completed, it will be calculated and shown here. And subjects, all the subjects you have made, it will be shown here. Now, moving on to the subjects, we have made, these are the subjects we have made, and CRUD functions are applicable. So let's say you want to create a subject, enter your subject code, let's say CSC 1111, subject name, math, no, science. And the lecturer name is Smith. So like, as you can see here, it is created. And if you want to change anything, you can press edit and change the lecturer name, let's say Joe. As you can see here, the lecturer name is changed to Joe. And if you want to delete it, you can do so pressing the deletion button. Press delete and it's gone. Now for the search function, let's say you want to find CSC2040. CSC2040. As you can see here, it is shown here. All right, moving on, you have the schedule. These are the schedules we have created, and the create function is applicable. Let's say you want to create one. Activity, let's say you have a science project. and the subject will be CSC 204 assignment. You can link it to network quiz. The date, that is the deadline date. You can set it to whatever deadline it is. Now the start time, let's say 8 a.m., 8:15 a.m. End time, 10 p.m. Press save. Oh, time conflict. Sorry. Press save. As you can see here, let me find it. Science project. As you can see here, it is created. Now, if you want to search for it, you can do so using the search bar at the top. Science. As you can see here, it is shown. Let's say you want to edit to complete it. Press save. As you can see here, it is completed. If you want to delete, you can do so pressing the delete button. Just delete and it's gone. Now, for the assignment, these are the assignments that we have created. And if you want to create one more, you can do so pressing this create button. Assignment title, let's say it's mobile 3, 4. Subject, CSE 2040. The due date, set it to 15. Press save. Now, there is a lot, so you can use the search button. So let's say mobile. As you can see here, it is shown mobile 4. And let's say you want to edit the due date, you can put it to 17. As you can see here, the due date is changed to 17. If you want to delete, you can do so pressing the delete button. Press delete, and it's gone. Now, these three are the only one where CRUD function is applicable. So moving on, we'll be shown a profile. This is your profile page where your user profile is shown. Your username, email, whether or not your StudyMate account is active, and your student ID. And moving on, you have your study overview. These are the summary of your StudyMate activities, or your subjects, total assignments, completed schedules will be calculated and shown here. Moving on to your personal information, these are your full name, email address, and phone number. Like say you want to edit your phone number to 0123456788, you can do so pressing here and save profile change. But we still have academic information to cover. So moving on, this is your student ID, program, current semester, and university. So let's say you want to change your student ID to demo003 and press save profile change. As you can see here, everything is changed. And this is your account information where it will show your account ID, account created, database, login session, program, and university. This is your account setting where you can change your password or log out. So let's say you want to change your password. Our current password is 123456, and your new password you can set it to ABC123. Confirm your password ABC123. Now you can double check, press update, and if you want to log out, you can do so pressing this log out button. Log out. So this is the current our previous password, which is 123456. Now you have to enter your updated password, which is ABC123. Press login. Oh, sorry. Email is as you can see here. You have logged into your account. Now, that is all for the app demonstration presentation. Thank you very much for watching.
Good day, everyone. Finally, I would like to conclude our presentation by summarizing our project and introducing our team contributions. StudyMate was developed to help university students manage their academic activities in a more organized and efficient way. So far, this project, we successfully developed a Flutter mobile application that enable users to manage their subject, assignment, and create study schedule within a single platform. The application features a responsive Dashboard complete CIUD functionality for subjects, assignment, and schedules, smooth navigation between multiple screens, and persistent local data storage using SQLite. This feature allows students to organize their academic tasks, monitor their study progress, and improve their overall time management. Overall, we believe that StudyMate successfully achieved its objective of providing students with a simple, organized, and user-friendly platform for academic management. Now, I would like to briefly introduce our team contribution. As the team leader, I'm just saying I was responsible for the overall project planning, system design, and application architecture. I developed the application core functionality, including the dashboard, subject module, assignment module, and schedule module. I also integrated the SQLite database, implemented the application's main functions, coordinated the overall development process, prepared the project documentation, and ensured that all components were successfully integrated into a complete and functional mobile application. Limujin was responsible for developing the login function and the profile page. He implemented the user authentication interface and developed the profile module, allowing users to securely access the application and manage their personal information. Songzhe was responsible for refining the application's user interface and conducting software testings. He contributed to improving the visual appearance of the application, participated in this testing and debugging, and helped ensure that the application function worked correctly and reliably. Throughout the development process, all three team members work closely together by discussing ideas, solving technical challenges, integrating different modules, testing the application, and continuously improving the overall quality of the project. This project has strengthened our understanding of further development, SQLite database integration, mobile applications, architecture, software testing, and teamwork throughout the software development process. Finally, we would like to thank our lecturer for the guidance and valuable feedback throughout this project. We also appreciate everyone's time and attention during our presentation. Thank you very much.